This introductory tutorial shows you how to automatically vary geometry by using design variables and design engines. In addition, you will be able to browse through created variants and display the different geometries. Some basic information is also given about the result table and its functionality. Note that, in this tutorial, geometry gets varied without considering any simulation software, for example CFD analysis of the new designs. We are going to use the wing profile from a previous tutorial. Additionally, a pre-prepared sample is available by going to Help, Documentation, click Samples and select First Modeling Steps. For automated variant generation, we need to have design variables available. These objects hold discrete numbers and can be controlled by design engines which will be created in a later step. Select all parameters at once. First, click on A, then keep the Shift key pressed and click on Y size. Activate the toggle design variable for all parameters. For variation and optimization, design engines are provided. They can access and modify design variables automatically. For each modification they create a variant which is then available to the user. Go to Optimization and select Sobol so that a new Sobol engine gets created in the Object Tree Node Design Engines of the Optimization tab. As an example, set the number of variants to 15. Note that in the free CSS edition, a project can only hold up to 5 variants including baseline design. Select the variables from the pull-down menu of the category Design Variables and set lower and upper bounds for all variables. Copy the examples provided in the video for a reasonable setup. The design engine has been configured and is now ready to run. 2 ways of starting engines are available. For the Sobol design engine, choose Run either from the context menu or click on the green triangle icon of the top toolbar. Now, the variants are getting created along with a table which documents them. Wait until the generation process is finished, which in this case is very fast. Now we want to browse through the different variants. In particular, we want to look at the individual geometries. See the new node designs in the tree with all variants. Make a single mouse click on a design name, either in the tree or the result table, in order to display the design settings in the object editor again. Click on the 3D View tab at the central widget, at the top where the table is given, in order to have a look at the geometry. Double-click on the first Sobol design in the design tree in order to activate it to make it the current design. This updates the variant and shows it in the 3D view. Continue browsing via double-click on the other designs in the tree. Go back to your initial design by double-clicking on baseline in the design tree. The result table provides sorting mechanisms with regard to its entries as well as creation of PDF reports and plotting of 2D and 3D diagrams. These functionalities are available via the drop buttons of the table toolbar. For sorting with regard to a certain design variable, just click on the header of the design variable once or twice for increasing or decreasing order, respectively. If you browse through variants, by double-clicking on a design, note that they are in a read-only mode by default for protection purposes. If you want to edit, modify or continue design work on such variants, the lock needs to be deactivated. In the design tree, double-click on a variant so that it will be the current design. Click on the red locker icon in order to remove the lock. The icon turns green, which indicates that the variant can be edited. Go to the CAD tab, the read-only mode has disappeared and the variant can be edited. Note that the name of the current variant is always on the top of the model tree. The selected variants can also be renamed. This is a first example that shows the basics of variant generation and variant management. As seen in this tutorial, design variables and design engines are closely related. SZIS and FFW provides design engines for variation, single and multi-objective optimization. The different engines can be found under the optimization menu in their respective categories. Generated designs are given in a separate widget for easy browsing. So far, no external simulation software has been involved. The coupling and integration of your external tools is shown in subsequent tutorials. Once they are connected, they can be utilized to analyze the created design variants, either in a simple design study or in a comprehensive optimization.